Crazy view. You can see everything. It's like it. Rooftop pool, level pool. They got like a little miniature golf thing over there. It's a tennis court over there. These are nice. It stopped raining too. That's cool. Look what they did for the bed. They made little swans. That was pretty nice. Nice little area. It's not bad. I think I paid like $100 for this for 2 nights. Bathroom. Nice bathroom. Pretty nice. You don't need too much, but nice Airbnb though. So like I said, I think I paid $100. How much? 107?
No, it's just under 100 because it's just 8,000.
Taxes.
Yeah.
So like $107 for this. Nice. We got Netflix and chill. Nice view. Dope. Like chicken.
How about
Wonton. Like top ramen noodles. Not here for real. City of Nut. I don't know how many, Philippines or Japan? Japanese stuff. That's my hotel. Right down. I like this. BGC, that's what they call this. So we in, this is Uptown or down? Uptown BGC Philippines, Manila. Is that right? Manila, Philippines. That's wrong. And we in BGC, bro. BGC is lit. Like, look at this. It's so nice. I like this way better than downtown Manila, Metro Manila. This place is really, really cool, bro. It's like very, very urban and built up. It's like a city. It reminds me of like, this way better than LA. Not gonna lie, LA don't even do stuff like this. New York is garbage. Like, this is dope. Look at this. They got a little fountain thing over there. We about to go to the SM. The street is lit up. It probably was crazy doing it. Oh, JP Morgan shade. It's really nice. Y'all gotta check out the BGC when y'all come to Philippines, bro. This is nice. Uptown BGC. Them time fine. Oh, watch out there. Oh, watch out there. Yo, this is nice, bro. They got street signs.
Yeah,
They got the little scooters.
you can get that one and then you park on the outer parking.
How far is the? How far is it? Everybody like that. Downtown BGC, bro. This is basically like Central Park. It's so chill. It's so chill, man. I like this, bro. BGC Philippines, Manila, Philippines, become the BGC. It is so chill, bro. Like, I like this so much. Like, this is the first time I've been to like an actual city. Man, you walk too fast. Actual city where you can just walk around, and they got stores in the corner, malls in the corner. It's live. It's like, what time is it? It's 7:30. And street lit. Oh, we got cross? Go. Right here, cross street. Look at that, bro. It's so lit. So litty. Unico, that's the biggest Unico I've ever seen. This shit is dope. Gotta come to BGC, bro. Way better than downtown Manila, Metro Manila. Nah, stay in BGC. Stay in BGC, and then you go explore everywhere else. Cause this city, this is the lavish. It's so lit, and it's not hot. It just rained, but then it's not raining no more, and it's like not even hot no more. I'm not sweating or nothing. It's real cool outside. I got on shorts right now, but it's lit, bro. I don't know where we going. We just walking.
High Street.
Oh yeah, somewhere. I still don't know what she said. She said BGC something.
High Street.
I'm going to a high street. And it's lit. Look at that. I think more shopping malls. Y'all got stores for days. That's the whole mall? Got malls on both sides of the street. Pick a side. And there's malls down there.
Yeah, it's all mall.
Malls.
Come on.
Malls. I'm sorry. I'm recording. I'm lost. Lost in the sauce.
That's like £600.
Lost in the glitz and glamour of BGC. Wow. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Crazy Japanese influence here and High Street. BGC. I would definitely live here. I would live here. Sure. She said condos here is like $1,000 a month. 1 bedroom type condo. Man, I only need 1 bedroom. But you know, you'll get the 1 bedroom condo, Airbnb for real. They got another ding tank pound?
Yes.
Jesus. Hublot?
Yeah, Hublot.
Hublot? You got the Hublot?
Shake Shack.
Shake Shack is garbage.
We could go inside.
I go to Wendy's. I go to Wendy's before I go to Shake Shack.
You wanna go inside?
The mall?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
You wanna go?
Shake Shack is garbage. like a way better New York, bro. Way better. I don't even know. That car is sick.
MG. Morris.
MG, Morris. Come on. Ooh, look at this. Lit.
This is called.
Nitty,
You
bro.
see this one?
I can't even see it. This is definitely like a New York City, but cleaner. Hands down. Philippines, bro. Did I get it? It's not even on. Well, they said that was the famous screen right there. It ain't on. But I'm gonna get this one. Bam, look at that. Oh, it's on now. But oh well. But look at this, bro. BGC Philippines. Liddy. Look at that. Jesus Christ. I'm just outside of this one. I don't know where we going.